Want to turn a PDF into an editable Word file in seconds? Here's how. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Now, go to the top left corner and click on File. Then click Open and choose Browse. Navigate to where your PDF file is saved, select it, and click Open. Word will display a message saying, Word will now convert your PDF into an editable Word document. This may take a while, and the result might look a little different from the original PDF. Don't worry, just click OK. Now your PDF has been converted and opened inside Microsoft Word. You can edit the text, change formatting. Finally, to save it as a Word file, go to File, Save As, choose a location, and make sure the file type is set to Word document, .docs. Click Save, and that's it. Your PDF is now a fully editable Word file. And that's how easy it is to convert PDF to Word using Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.